Hello everyone. Today I want to explain degrees of comparison. Adjectives can be used for comparing two or more things by changing their forms. These are called the degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Okay, now let's see the positive degree. In positive degree, no comparison made, or the positive degree is the simple form of the adjective. It does not show a comparison with anything else, or no comparison made, or it shows as being equal to another. Okay, in positive degree no comparison made. Okay, adjective remain as it is, but you add after the subject, you add as or so, and after that again you have to write adjective, then again as, and remaining part of the sentence. Okay, for example, Prem runs as fast as his cousin. Here see, as fast as or so fast as, that also write. Okay, June is as hot as May is. Okay, here see, as hot as, here hot adjective, here fast adjective. Okay, that positive degree, positive form. Okay, positive form, past, comparative faster, and superlative fastest. Same like here also, positive hot, comparative hotter, superlative hottest. Okay, in positive degree no comparison made. Positive degree is the simple form of adjective. Now second, the comparative degree. The comparative degree is used when comparing two things or two groups or two persons or places or animals or qualities. Here we can see first adjective, after that er, again then, again any other, plus remaining part of the sentence. Adjectives that have two or more than two syllables form the comparative by adding more before the positive form of adjective. Listen again. Adjectives that have two or more than two syllables form the comparative by adding more before the positive form of adjective. Okay. For example, see here, first sentence, part of the sentence, after that more, then adjective, again than, again any other, then remaining part of the sentence. Okay, then definitely it is sentence in comparative degree. Okay, if two or more than two syllables, then we use more. When in comparative degree, there we use more, and superlative degree, there we use most. Okay, for example, Renu is smarter than any other girl in the whole class. See here, first subject, after that smarter, adjective plus er, see, adjective plus er, smarter, than any other. Okay, after that remaining part of the sentence. Now one more example, Tanya is more imaginative than any other student in her class. Here see, more than two syllables, imaginative, two or more than two syllables, that time we use more. So here more used. Okay, so Tanaya is more imaginative than any other student in her class. Next, the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to state the highest degree between three or more than three things, groups, persons, etc. Okay, positive degree, no comparison made, and comparative degree, two, comparison between two. Okay, only two things, groups or persons. Superlative here, three or more than three things, groups, persons, etc. Okay, now see here, first sentence, part of the sentence comes, after that the superlative, no, so we use the, after that adjective, then est. Okay, bravest, like that. Okay, adjectives that have two or more than two syllables form the superlative by adding most before the positive form. Okay, if two or more than two syllables, then in front of adjective we add most. Where? In superlative degree, and comparative degree there more. Okay, here the most we add. When two or more than two syllables form the superlative by adding most before the positive form. Example, see here, part of the sentence, after that the most, we use the most. After that adjective, then remaining part of the sentence. Now example, see, the lion is one of the bravest animal, the bravest, see here. Okay, at superlative degree. Diksha seemed the most interested in sports amongst her class. Here see, the most we used. Why? More than two syllables. So we use here the most in front of that adjective. Okay. Next, the peacock is the most beautiful bird. Here also more than two syllables. So we use the most in front of beautiful adjective. Next, rules for forming the comparative and superlative degrees. In some words, the comparative and superlative are formed by doubling the last letter and adding er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. For example, hot. Here, hotter, comparative degree, and superlative degree, hottest. Sad, comparative degree, sadder, and superlative degree, saddest. Thin, positive degree, thinner, comparative degree, and thinnest, superlative degree. See here T doubled, and here D doubled, and here N doubled. Here also same, okay. So you read this properly. In some words, the comparative and superlative are formed by doubling the last letter and adding er and est after that word, okay. Next, in the case of words ending in y, sometimes, okay, words ending in y, then the y is changed to I, and then er and est are added to make the comparative and superlative degree. Okay, that time in case of sometimes words ending in y, then the y is changed to I, and then er and est are added to make the comparative and superlative degree. Now see, for example, happy, happier, here y changed into I, okay, and happiest superlative. And positive degree, lazy, lazier, here y changed into I, and laziest superlative degree. Pretty, prettier, prettiest, here also, here y changed into I, here also y changed into I, okay. There are some words which are exceptions to the above rules. For example, good, better, best. Okay, never use er, est, all that, okay. Good, better, best. And much or many, more, most, little, less, least, far, farther or further, farthest, farthest, bad, worse, worst, okay. That positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree, okay. Here some words which are exceptions to the above rules, okay, different. Next, fourth one, when two persons or things or animals or place or qualities are compared, only two, okay, two persons, two things, animals, place, qualities are compared, then superlative degree is not used. Is that clear? When two persons or things or animals or place or qualities are compared, then superlative degree is not used. For example, the pen is mightier than the sword, comparative degree, okay, mightier than. The sword is not as mighty as the pen, positive degree, okay, as mighty as, okay, no comparison made. Next, Nashik is hotter than Mumbai, comparative degree, okay, hotter than. And positive degree, Mumbai is not as hot as Nashik, positive degree. Here see, as hot as, no comparison made, okay. Adjectives that have two or more than two syllables form the comparative and superlative by adding more and most before the positive form. For example, tragic, more tragic, most tragic, okay. Positive degree there, tragic, okay. Here two syllable, tragic, two syllable, then we use more tragic in comparative degree, and superlative degree most tragic. Okay, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Famous, more famous, most famous. Precious, more precious, most precious. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Where two or more than two syllables, that time we use in comparative degree more and superlative degree most. And one more thing, remember, adjective with more than one syllable means two syllable that end in y are usually compared by adding er and est. Here two syllable, then also word that end with y, and y changes to I before the addition of er and est. That time y, word having y and it changes to I, that time we use in comparative degree er and superlative degree there est. For example, costly, here two syllable. Okay, then also we used costlier and costliest. Okay, silly, cy here. Okay, that change into I and er, we added er and here est. And here noisy, see last letter y, now it changed into I, then so we used er and est. So remember one thing, any word that end in y are usually compared by adding er and est. The y changes to I before the addition of er and est. See, er before the addition of er, here y changed to I. Here also er, I. Here est and here y change into I. One degree of comparison may be used in place of another without any change in the meaning. Listen again. One degree of comparison may be used in place of another without any change in the meaning. For example, no animal is as fierce as the tiger or so fierce as the tiger in positive degree. Okay, the tiger is fiercer than any other animal comparative degree. The tiger is the fiercest of all animals superlative degree. Okay, here what? In place of another without any change in the meaning. Next, do not use double comparisons by both adding er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree and more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. For example, see, this is more better than that. See here, more also used, then er. Okay, better, that also used. So incorrect sentence. Okay, this is better than that, correct sentence. Okay, one more, this is the most fittest shirt in my collection, wrong. Okay, incorrect sentence. Most also used and here est also used, here also used, and then also that more also used. Okay, here also used and more also used, here most also used and est also used. So wrong sentence. And correct sentence, this is the fittest shirt in my collection. And one more thing, we must make sure that our comparisons are clear. For example, I like her better than Simran, that wrong sentence. Okay, I like her better than I like Simran, correct sentence. When the superlative degree points to the highest degree in a particular class of objects or persons. Next, listen again. When the superlative degree points to the highest degree in a particular class of objects or persons, that time positive degree changes into first no other, after that as plus adjective plus as. For example, no other girl is as smart as Sita in the whole class, that positive degree. Okay, in comparative degree, here first part of the sentence, after that adjective comes, then er, then any other plus remaining part of the sentence, or more adjective than any other plus remaining part of the sentence. Okay, see this formula. Now example, Sita is smarter than any other girl in the whole class, that comparative degree. And superlative degree, part of the sentence, after that the used, after that adjective, then est, and remaining part of the sentence. Plus means here remaining part of the sentence. Now here part of the sentence, after that the, then most, if two or more than two syllables that times, okay, most, then adjective, then remaining part of the sentence. For example, Sita is the smartest girl in the whole class, that superlative form. When the superlative degree points to the highest quality in a class and that highest quality is shared by a few others in that same class, that time superlative degree changes into first part of the sentence, after that one of the, then adjective, then est and remaining part of the sentence. Or if more than two or three syllables, that time one of the plus most, then adjective and remaining part of the sentence. Okay, in comparative degree, first part of the sentence, after that adjective, then er, then than, plus most other. See, when the superlative degree points to the highest quality in a class and that highest quality is shared by a few others in that same class, that time here most other. Okay, or part of the sentence more plus adjective plus then plus most other. Okay, in positive degree very few, after that part of the sentence, then as, adjective, again as, then remaining part of the sentence. You see that this formula, that very important. When the superlative degree points to the highest quality in a class and that highest quality is shared by a few others in that same class, that time sentence changes like this. You can change any sentence like this using this formula. Okay, and positive degree there very few, after that remaining part of the sentence plus as plus adjective plus as, then remaining part of the sentence. Okay, now see example, superlative degree. The rose is one of the sweetest smelling flowers. Okay, the sweetest. The rose is sweeter smelling than most other flowers. See here again used most other. And positive degree, very few flowers are as sweet smelling as the rose. Okay, already 11 points I had given how to find out positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, how you make few changes and all formulas, everything I had given. Thank you.